Hi everyone, in this video let's see how to create IG menus inside the SuperIG platform. So for that, from the menu on the left you will navigate to IG menus, and once it is open you can select the Instagram account from here, and in the next step you can see about the language locals. So by default it is set to all languages, but you can also configure it if needed. Now let's move to the main topic, which is menu. So each menu item appears as a clickable button inside the Instagram DM. So these are the smart buttons that guide users inside your Instagram DM. And to create a new menu, you have to click on Add Item. And from here, you will get an option if you want to send a quick reply or you want to send a web URL, which will be an openable link. So quick reply buttons are perfect for lead qualification or routing users to the right automation, and web URL buttons are ideal for driving traffic outside Instagram. You can add multiple menu items to create a structured DM experience. So let's create one, a quick reply, and over here let's add get started. This can contain max up to 30 characters, and then you will click on this. So once it is done, this is how it will appear to the users. They can click on the three lines above, and once they click on it, they can see the custom menu like this. And if needed, you can also delete or update these menus anytime from the platform. And with IG menus, you can turn random DMs into guided conversations that convert. That's how you set up powerful Instagram DM menus using SuperIG. Thank you.